What's up, everybody? Matt from #CashHacks. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the gear selector cable on an automatic transmission 1997 Honda Civic. It works for even some of the 80s Accords all the way up to 2000 Civic. So there's a lot of videos about manual Civics and nothing that I could find on the automatic gear selector cable. Let's get right into it. So the first thing you have to do is loosen this and take out the screw that's down here. There's a screw up in here and a few more around the bottom. The next thing is there's a screw right there and another one right there. Once you get this whole thing loose, it slides back. Then there's screws on this one here, a couple more over there, same on this side, including the ones you just took out. And then this pops up like this. Then the cup holder has 4 screws that I already took out. That comes out, and then that's what you're looking for. Pull this off, slide out the pin, and then it comes out. I'm starting in neutral. I took these 2 screws out just to make it a little bit easier. Kind of get that out of the way a little bit. I'm gonna come in here. And that just slides out. Now going under the car, while pulling the transmission out, I forgot to take this off and I broke it. So that's why I'm replacing it. And you see up there, I already took those 2 screws out and we're holding this in. 2 number 10s. This is the new one from the dealer. Okay, so now we're gonna put the new one in. We'll start from the bottom. So I'm gonna put this through here. 2 screws. Tight for right now. Replace this one. And then I'll show you the rest once I get the transmission back in here. Alright guys, so something happened to my video after I shot it and showed you guys how to put the shift linker cable back in. I did some digging. I found some other video on YouTube showing you guys how to do it. I'm going to show it to you right now. This is not my video. This is somebody else's video. Make sure that you check out their channel after you watch this video. I'm going to link it in the description. I'm going to show it to you right now.
So right here there will be a 12mm bolt, and there'll be another one right here, and you'll have to remove those 2 bolts, which I've already done, and then this whole piece right here will come out, and you'll be able to pull that out, and then inside you will have a little 10mm bolt with a tab on it. You'll have to bend this tab over, and then you'll be able to pull this connection out. It's a little tight down here, but you might have to pry it out, but that'll come right out.
Alright guys, so that's how you replace the gear selector cable in an automatic 1997 Honda Civic. If you found the video helpful, comment, smash that like button. For more helpful videos showing you how to save money working on your car, consider subscribing and follow a real one. Let's go.